Slowly bring your right eye into the lens of the camera, very, very close to the camera. You notice that there is something inside your eye that's annoying you. Start blinking your eyelids, and then move your eye up and down and around. That's it, up and down and around again. What's inside your eye is really annoying you. You keep on blinking. Now start feeling your eyes with your fingers, trying to find what's inside, always looking into the lens. Use both hands and feel around your eye. Blink your eye some more. Now open it and freeze. Something comes out of your eye, and you realize that it is a wasp. Back down quickly. Stay still. Right in front of the lens. Stay down and try to catch it with your hand. Do not stand up. Keep on trying to grab the tiny wasp with your hand. Right and left. Faster, faster. Again. Grab it. That's it. Don't stop. Try to grab it. Again and again. The wasp has disappeared. Stand up and look around for the wasp. Look high and low. Keep on moving your head. Sharp and fast. Because you can hear it, but you can't see it. Turn around, look up, look down, look behind you. Be sharp, don't stop. That's it. The wasp is coming towards your face. Start pushing it away with your hand. Move your hand, fast around your face. Move around, in circles. Push it away. It's in front of your face. Push, push. Again, faster, faster. Now, use your elbows. Circle your elbows, around and around, constantly. Keep at it, that's good. Go around yourself, and keep on pushing with your elbows. Move fast as you can. You bend down to hide. The wasp is right in front of the lens. You jump up and catch it with your armpit. Stop. Move your shoulder up and down, in all directions. Faster and faster. Keep on wriggling, but do not let go of the wasp. Rotate your shoulder, up and down, and around. Sharp jerks. That's it. Sharper, sharper. Put your other hand into your armpit and grab the wasp. You have got it in your hand. Be brave. Snatch your hand out of your armpit. The wasp begins to move inside your hand. Slowly stretch your arm towards the camera. Slowly, slowly. Start moving your arm around in front of your face and body. Make circles, big circles. The wasp moving in your hand makes you move faster. Up and down, in and out. Move around yourself, everywhere in the space. Stand still. Face the camera. Clap your hands. Look at them. Slowly, slowly bring your hands towards your mouth. Now, eat the wasp. Walk back slowly against the wall. The wasp is now moving in the stomach. You feel the wasp inside. Put your hands on your stomach. Now, stand still.